So this is the first little trade recap. Basically, long story short, prices and prices tapped into this. Let me think. I don't even know what time frame this is, but yeah, 1 hour FEG. See the nice wick on it. It's rejected it nicely. It's come back up now. Here, it's creating trendline liquidity, low resistant liquidity. And then obviously today, price is sort of displaced to the upside, like a little nice little displacement leg. It's not really rejecting or reacting to this trend line. Now, if you go down to 3 minute, price is, it's consolidating, it's tapped into here, rejected this FEG, fair value gap. Now, it's consolidating. Price is manipulated to the downside. You can see this nice manipulation leg leaving a nice, obvious, big 3 minute singular FEG sticking out. Now, it's leaving this wick here, take out its liquidity, tapping into this. It's not on the 3 minute, but on the 1 minute, 2 minute, you got FEG here, and then overall, you get what I'm saying. So now a lot of traders, they'll see this. They might not like that reaction, this wick here, but do you get what I'm saying? A lot of traders they'll see that price is taking this high and this high, and they'll see that price is struggling to displace or push past these highs. Now they're going to be looking to sell. They're going to be looking for a sell. Plus people might have drawn this trend line a little bit different to me. They might have put it a little bit higher. It might still look like it's respecting that trend line, but so they'll see that and they'll draw out this FEG and they'll look to sell the minute it's hit this FEG. They'll put their entry there, they'll put their stop loss at the high or whatever, you get what I'm saying. And the semi-smart ones, they'll target this low, but greedy ones, they're going to be going down here, but on the other hand, with the IFEG strategy, thanks to Dodgy, I'll wait for price to close back above and disrespect that FEG with momentum. You get what I'm saying? So obviously I'll enter at the close of this candle, but I'm not entering at the close if that candle that closed has hit the first internal high of this, whatever you want to call it, range, whatever. The first internal high, which is this high, as you can see. This wick didn't leave a high, this wick didn't leave, this wick here is a high, it's an internal high. Now, you enter the trade if that candle hasn't hit this high, you get what I'm saying. So this is this candle that hit the high, not this one. So I entered the trade there, I put my stop loss around the close below. I think it was 66, I think so. And then now I've drawn out this high specifically, mainly because it's a high inside a FEG, plus it's the next really swing high ish from here. I've marked out this high, so of this high and this high, because it's a high inside the FEG. Now I'm not paying too much attention to this, but because my bias wasn't too, I think we're at all-time highs, and I think on a 4 hour, I think price is going to reverse. So this is why I was quite aggressive with taking partials. I wouldn't normally take partials at this high, but I did. So basically, I've entered here. I've moved my stop loss to break even at this first internal high, making it a free trade. Now I've closed half of my position at this high here, which is around the 1-to-1. I like to close half my position at a high, a point liquidity imbalance, whatever, around a 1-to-1. Then I've also targeted this high, and I've closed 50% of my remaining position. So it was a 15 contract trade. It was on macro, not minis. And 15 contracts. I closed 7 here at 1-to-1. Then at this high, I've closed 4 contracts, leaving 4 contracts over. Then I've obviously full TP here. Now, something I do a bit too much is I'm like, yeah, I close too many partials. You get what I'm saying? I need to, yeah. Today showed me, because altogether I closed a trade at about not even 600 USD on a 50k account. 0.6%, no, 1.2, 1 point. I'm not even gonna bother doing the maths. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, really, I should have just either closed my full position here, which wouldn't have made much of a difference, or closed it here and not taken partials at this high, because I shouldn't have to pay too much attention to this high when there's a high right here that's inside the FEG, the highest high that's sort of respected this FEG. You can see price has come up to this a couple times, here, here, and here. Now the highest one that's still inside it, yeah. But that is it basically. That is it, but you can see how high price went. It did reach here. Fuck. Oh shit. Now the price did come straight back down, but yeah, let's ignore all of that. No, yeah, that's basically it. First trade recap, so sure will be better next time. I'm sure it will be better next time. But yeah, that is it for now. I'm about to record the next video. I don't even know what I'm gonna record, but I'm literally about to do it right now to upload tomorrow. This one's getting uploaded today, and yeah, that is it.